Welcome, the 7 laws of the children of Noah are the laws that the Lord gave to Moses on Mount Sinai. These laws were given to Moses, also known as Machia'h Rabbeinu, by the Lord on Mount Sinai. They are the responsibility of every single person and constitute the foundation for the construction of a safe and thriving society that is secure and prosperous for all. The initial law states that you shall establish courts that are equipped with fair justice systems in order to ensure impartiality and fairness. Maintaining justice. The administration of justice is the responsibility of God, but He has entrusted us with the duty to enact necessary laws and ensure their application in all possible areas. When we rectify the deviations of society, our actions make us partners in the perpetuation and preservation of creation, thus fulfilling our role as stewards of justice. The second law states that you shall respect God and refrain from blaspheming, as it is a grave offense against Him. Show respect to the Creator, regardless of the level of frustration or anger you may feel. Avoid letting your emotions explode by engaging in blasphemous behavior towards your Creator. According to the third law, you must believe in a solitary God as the only deity in whom you have faith. Denounce and reject all forms of idolatry. Acknowledge and recognize that there is only one God who is infinite, omnipotent, and supreme above all things in the universe. Do not substitute this ultimate being with idols, whether it is yourself or other creatures. This commandment encompasses various actions such as prayer, study, and meditation, which are all essential for spiritual growth. The fourth law states that you shall not have any immoral relationship, and you shall not commit any form of adultery or incestuous acts, as these actions are strictly prohibited and considered morally unacceptable. Respecting the institution of marriage, marriage is an act of divine nature and a sacred bond par excellence. The marriage between a man and a woman is a reflection of the unity and harmony that exists between God and His creation. Infidelity within the framework of marriage is a breach of the sacred unity that binds two individuals in a committed and exclusive partnership. The fifth law states that you must preserve human life and refrain from killing. Respect the sanctity of human life. Every individual is a universe in themselves. To save a single life is to save the entire world. To take a life is to destroy the whole world and all the possibilities it holds. Assisting individuals in living is a corollary to this fundamental concept. Sixth law. You will show respect for the property of others. Do not engage in theft. Show respect for the rights and property of others. Always be honest and truthful in all your business ventures and endeavors. By placing our reliance on God rather than relying on our own schemes, we demonstrate our unwavering trust in Him as the ultimate provider and sustainer of life. The seventh law states that you shall demonstrate respect for all of God's creatures and abstain from consuming the flesh of an animal while it is still alive, as it is forbidden to do so. Out of respect for God's creatures, it was initially prohibited for humans to consume meat. Subsequent to the flood, this privilege was granted to him, but it came with a clear admonition, urging him not to cause undue harm or unnecessary suffering to any living creature. This is the statement of the 7 Noahide laws, and the Lubavitch rabbi has made it known to all of humanity that in order to activate the coming of King Machia'h, one must perform acts of kindness and goodness for the purpose of bringing about the arrival of King Machia'h. Goodness and kindness. Furthermore, he provided assurance that Machia'h, the awaited Messiah, will arrive without delay, fulfilling the prophecies and bringing hope to all. Thank you for sharing. See you soon. During the process of delivering,